Do you have your calendar filled out with events to participate in? Then you need to know the top must-haves before you hit the floor as an exhibitor. Number 1, comfy sneakers. Comfy sneakers. Number 2, a camera and a comfy bag to store it in, like this. Number 3, don't forget your laptop and smart devices. Can you imagine? Number 4, a very well prepared script for all of your visitors. I think I've got it in here somewhere. Oh yeah. Number 5, and arguably the most important, a team that knows where to get the food from. Nobody wants someone in an event who's hangry. Snacks should be abundant. Know that, exhibitors. Hangry people make bad decisions, and we want good decisions, like visiting your booth. Well, folks, that's pretty much it for my pool of suggestions. What else do you think should qualify as must-haves for exhibitors? Tell us in the comments below.